Welcome back to the channel, to the video, to the vlog, to whatever you want to call it. Today's video is going to be me saying I'm sorry to you guys. Haven't uploaded in a week. Things have been going on. I have a lot of videos, or should I say I have a lot of photos that I have been taking because I've been doing a lot of photos of things that's been going on with our group. Yes, I have created a group for, for imports or any cars that you like, or that you, should I say, that you build, or you put your hard-earned time, blood, sweat, and tears into. We created a channel for that. It's 3 of us. If you watch any of my other videos, you will know there's 3 of us, and I don't know how I'm driving because I just went from 3rd to freaking 5th. It's that quick, or 6th, whatever gear it is. But I just want to say, I'm sorry for slacking, and I want to say on top of that, thank you for all the new subscribers and all the old subscribers. Let's just keep this going for the 2020. With all this bull crap going on. I'm gonna say it's bull crap because I'm just gonna say what I want to say. You can take it how you want, enter it how you please. But at the end of the day, who's right, who's wrong, you take it. So, but back into what I was saying, the whole channel thing where, I'm still doing my channel. I still have things going on with, my group. And we have an Instagram for the group and stuff like that. So that way you can be entertained on that too. We do a lot of car meets and things like that. We're trying to do something different for the community, and everyone with their cars. It doesn't matter if you have whatever car you have. You bring it out. I don't care. It's whatever you enjoy putting your money into, bring it out. So with that being said, got that out of the way. So I've been uploading I've been doing a lot of picture taking of my car, a couple people cars in the groups and things like that, and been slacking on doing me because I'm trying to interact with the group and be more active with the group, and kind of put myself on the back burner. Well, I'm going to keep continuously doing the group. I'm going to do my YouTube, but I'm going to enter them both, like intertwine them both, so that way it works for me, and try to stop talking so much, let you see what I do, what I can do besides just cars. I have my hands on a lot of stuff, but I'm only one person. I can only entertain the ones that want to be entertained. So if you like any of the stuff that I'm putting out, then go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, start to get stuff on that, and then we'll go from there. But I know I have videos. This video that I'm going to do, this video right now that I'm going to be doing, is going to be of the pictures that I took with the other people in the group. And I'm going to put it up in here. You guys comment on if you like what I do. Be honest and be truthful, and go from there. And if you guys really watch to the end, you might not miss anything, because there are certain things that I do at the end and you miss it because you don't watch it all the way to the end. If you have to go back and look at at the previous videos, there's a lot of stuff that I put at the end that you missed. I don't know what the how many minutes this is into the video, but guys, you're missing a lot. And make sure you watch it all the way to the end, because there's a lot of stuff at the end of the videos that there's a lot of stuff at the end of the videos that you guys are literally clicking off before you get to the end of the videos, because I guess you're not entertained enough. Let me know, because if you let me know, then maybe I can figure out what to do to catch your attention again instead of losing your attention. That's what I'm here for. You guys let me know what's going on. So I'm not talking no chitter-chattering about that. I'm going to say I'm sorry again. Thank you for all the new subscribers. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. And I will stay, posting videos. And I'm going to let you know, guys, right now. Just going to put this in here. If you follow me on Facebook, I do post a lot of stuff that we do with the car meets. Come out, enjoy, see the cars, bring your car if you have a car. Hey, you want to join the group, let me know that I can let the gentleman know, and we can all just go from there. And we do have, if I can show you, we do have a group sticker. If you decide to join, we will recommend you to get one of these, so that way you'll have it every time you come to the meet. So let me get out the car. I don't know if you can see me, but let me get out the car and get out the car and show you this real quick. Show you this. This is the new thing. That's what the group is called on Facebook. We did start an Instagram channel, so you guys come on out. You don't see what's going on. You'll see this car, you'll see other cars, you'll see cars that I have in the pictures, you'll see all these other cars. Come on, guys, don't be scared to come out. And I'm gonna say, we'll stop all the chit chatting, and we'll see you guys totally on the next one. On the next one.
J